In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to a task on ClickUp quickly and easily. Let's dive right into it. Adding attachments to your tasks in ClickUp is a convenient way to keep all your essential documents and resources in one place, making collaboration with your team much more efficient. The process is straightforward and doesn't take much time at all. Whether you're adding documents, images, spreadsheets, or any other type of file, you're just a few simple steps away from having your files seamlessly integrated within your tasks. To get started, you'll want to head over to your ClickUp workspace. Once you're there, navigate to the specific space, folder, or list where your task is located. This is important because it helps you maintain an organized workflow and ensures that everything is where it needs to be. Find the task to which you want to add an attachment. Click on that task to open it up. When you open the task, you'll notice a variety of sections presented to you. These sections are designed to help you manage your tasks more efficiently, each dedicated to a different aspect of task management. Now, focus your attention toward the bottom section of the task window. This is where you'll find the attachment section. It's there that you can introduce your additional files and documents to the task. There are two convenient ways to add your files. You can either drag and drop them directly into this section, which is great if you have your files readily available on your desktop or in a folder. Alternatively, click the Upload button. This will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to browse and select the specific file you wish to upload. This option is particularly useful if you're not entirely sure where your file is located, providing you with a more organized way to find them. Once you've selected your file, sit back and let ClickUp handle the rest. Your attachment is now safely stored with your task, right where you need it for future reference or collaboration. This integration allows for seamless teamwork, as all relevant materials and resources can be quickly accessed and shared with team members working on the task. And there you have it. You've successfully added an attachment to your task in ClickUp, enhancing both your productivity and organization within the platform. By following these simple steps, you ensure that all necessary documentation is available within the task for easy access and better team collaboration. Repeat this process for any additional files you need to add in the future, and watch as your task management becomes more streamlined and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and stay organized.